In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Planning Poker for Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to log in to your Monday.com account. Before you proceed, ensure that you have the necessary permissions to install new applications. If you're unsure, check with your Workspace administrator. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific project board where you'd like to use the Planning Poker app. This is where you'll be conducting your estimations, so make sure you're on the right board. Next, look for the Monday.com Apps Marketplace. You can find it in your top or side navigation menu depending on your layout. Click on it to access a variety of apps that can enhance your project management experience. Now, in the Marketplace, type Planning Poker into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll see the app designed specifically for estimating time and effort. Go ahead and select it. Click the Install button that appears, and when a window pops up confirming the installation, click to confirm that you want to proceed. It's that simple. After installation, you'll need to choose your workspace. Make sure to select the project board where you want the app to be enabled. This ensures that it will function correctly in your chosen workspace. Once that's done, it's a good idea to reload the project board page. This will refresh your view and make the new Planning Poker settings available. Sometimes changes don't appear instantly, so a quick refresh can help. Now that you've got the app set up, it's time to work with the column settings. Open the column selector, which is easy to find in your project board. Here, you'll choose or create a numeric column specifically for storing your estimation values. This is essential for tracking the time and effort needed for your tasks accurately. To ensure everything runs smoothly, confirm your account and user profile settings. This step verifies that the integration is active and that your project team can use the app without any hiccups. Finally, return to the main table view of your project board. You're now ready to start running estimation sessions with your project team. Gathering estimations using Planning Poker can be a fun and engaging way to make collaborative decisions on project tasks. With these steps, you've successfully set up and can now effectively use Planning Poker in Monday.com. This will help streamline your meetings and provide clearer insights during your planning sessions. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more instructional videos. Enjoy using Planning Poker and make your project planning even more efficient.